Are you pondering the idea of investing in crypto, hoping to earn some passive income, but the world of digital assets seems like a maze of confusion? Maybe you've heard your friends or family talk about their gains from crypto and now you're intrigued, wondering if you should give it a shot too. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to guide you through the basics, separating the good from the bad, and helping you make informed decisions on your crypto journey. The first principle is all about understanding market trends. It's like knowing the weather before heading out. Traders dive into historical price movements, technical indicators, and market sentiment to make informed decisions. But here's the thing, risk management is crucial. As a holder, diversifying your portfolio is like wearing a seatbelt. It's there to protect you from potential devastating losses. Timing is everything in crypto. Traders aim to buy low and sell high, like catching a wave at the perfect moment. It's all about maximizing profits, but if you plan to hodl long term, that matters less, as long as it's something you really believe in. Now, staying informed is not just a suggestion, it's a principle. Keep an eye on what the team are doing by following the project's social media channels, as well as regulatory developments and global market events, because they can significantly impact cryptocurrency prices. And here's the last principle, discipline and emotional control. Stick to your strategies, avoid compulsive decisions based on market fluctuations, and keep your emotions in check. If you do, however, see that what you personally invested in performs very well, don't be afraid to take profit. There's nothing worse than letting it slip you by. And there you have it. These fundamental principles are key to get you started on your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. Until next time.